Today, this is the video of the world's fastest splitter. That's our super split. Yes. And this is the quickie splitting team. That's Artie on the right. He's taking the wood off there, chucking it up onto the pile. And that's old Chris in the back. We just saw him. That's better known as the Kid. And then Ron, he's pulling the trigger. And then you see on the left there, that's Peter. Peter, he's just feeding it with the wood. The splitter works you out so hard that you could only split maybe 4 or 5 hours in a day, and then you're worn out because it's just split so much wood so fast. It doesn't matter how hard the wood is. You can see that's some real crapola. Look at that split, boy. Wow, just knocked it right apart. Unbelievable. Yep, the world's fastest splitter. Want to know more about this splitter? Just give me a call. Oh, you want my phone number too? Oh, just look me up on the internet. Email me, frank@maggioandsons.com. There you go. When you get some real long ones, they just chuck it in the bucket of this machine and put it right in his payloader. Yep, that's a Maggio payloader too. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Looks like it's nothing. Tell me if that's not your grandmother's splitter there, boy. Yeah, years ago they had these. It's a flywheel. It's got a flywheel principle. What happens is there's these two big discs, these big 70-pound flywheels. And they just keep on rotating, and the motor really doesn't do any work. It just keeps those flywheels going. And then when you go and pull that trigger, that flywheel kicks in and she starts doing her job. It's all momentum. Stored energy. That splitter you're looking at is 35 years old. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Let's see, 35, 1970. 2000, 75, 77, 78, 1978 we bought that splitter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good way to split wood, I'll tell you. That's the way to split wood. Before you know it, they have a gigantic pile standing there. Uh-oh, watch out, watch out. Here they come. Here comes the wood. Keep it on a splitter now. Oh man, I can't believe that thing is so fast. See that while it's stalled because he used up all his energy. And the engine restored the energy and he gave it a shot, and once she went right off again. That's the beauty of that splitter. So fast. If you want to find out about how to buy that splitter, just email me, frank@maggioandsons.com, and I'll set you straight. I'll set you straight. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, see that? Bam. Now one more shot, she's through. Now we just flip that baby right over. Just push it right through. Boom, 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 boom. Be careful how you put the foot on there. Sometimes you don't get it just the right way, and then it gives you a little bit of a hard time. But oh, give it another shot, she'll go through. Remember, if you want to know more about this splitter and where you can buy it, just email me at frank@maggioandsons.com. There you go. Alrighty. Talk to you later. Bye.